In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just in 26 days posting affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you guys step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you don't want to miss this information that I will share for free. And let's get started. So I made this commission in the month of May, from the first day of May until today, 26th of May. I made $15,525. Anyway, so for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's really super easy, guys, and it's easy. You just need to use your email address. So what you will do next, you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can really make a lot of money with this business model. It's really working, it's profitable, and if you follow those methods that I will share with you, you can make a lot of money. Okay, anyway, you can check this website like I said to get idea about how much you will earn. So anyway, just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, and choose your country over here and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliate dashboard account. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to choose a good and a profitable service that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on Pinterest. Okay, so go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, click on the search for Amazon. Okay, search for Amazon affiliate, search for Amazon affiliate website. Okay, so why I choose this service? From my experience, guys, a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their Amazon affiliate links. Okay, those people who are using Pinterest as a traffic source to promote their Amazon affiliate links, a lot of people will be interested to create an Amazon affiliate website. Okay, that's why I choose this service. So anyway, search for Amazon affiliate website, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so we have a lot of we have here a lot of sellers here that are really good sellers, like this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews, almost 5-star. I will click on his service. It's a really good. Let's see, and that's really good. And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, and you can see that this seller has 2 orders in queue. People still buying this service, a lot of reviews. You can see how many services this seller has sold, services about creating an Amazon affiliate website. Okay, a lot of reviews. Okay, so it's working. Okay, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. So for people who don't have Pinterest account, go to Google. Let me show you guys. It's super easy, guys. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page, and let me show you guys. I want to give you more information about Pinterest. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? Every single month, 1 billion people using Pinterest, visiting Pinterest. That's a really big number, guys. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Okay, if you know how to do it, you can really make a lot of money just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, anyway, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's a really big number. So just click over here on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his picture, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Click on save image. Okay, so just save this picture to your laptop, save like this. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture like this. Open. Here you go. You need a title and you need description. Go back to this seller profile page, copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest and put this title here. Description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see here about this gig. This is his description. I will copy this part and go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down. You need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So I want you guys to pay attention. So for you, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account and I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Paste. You need to click over here and choose a board. Click on choose a board. So if you have new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here keywords or tags related to this service. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags. Okay, until you see this. So copy those keywords, go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Let's go back. Make sure to copy all those keywords. So just use as many keywords as you can because those keywords are very important. Paste. I'm gonna Amazon affiliate website. After you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, okay? And as you can see, this will be your picture, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, guys. It's really super easy. I also want to explain something, guys. This commission that I made, it didn't come from Pinterest. It's not all this commission, it's not from Pinterest. I got a lot of commission from Pinterest, and because I'm also promoting my affiliate links on YouTube, on Google, on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and so much more. If you guys want me to share those methods with you for free in this video, just comment in this video affiliate marketing. and I will share all those methods for free. I will share with you how you can promote your affiliate links on Google. No one is no one has shared this before. You can go to YouTube and you can search. I will share with you how you can promote your affiliate links on Google for free without investing any money. How you can promote your affiliate links on TikTok. How you can promote your affiliate links on Instagram Message, and on Instagram Reels, and so much more. So if you are interested, comment affiliate marketing, and I will share with you guys all those methods. Also, guys, I'm working on course. I already said that in my videos, in my last videos, a course about affiliate marketing that will cover everything from scratch. Okay, it's like from zero to hero. I will share with you everything in this course: advanced method, new methods, how we can start, how we can make money, how we can promote your affiliate links using free traffic, paid ads, and so much more. All those methods will be shared in my course. I'm really giving this course a lot of time to make it the best course about affiliate marketing ever that you will watch, that will help you. Okay, that will help you to make commission and start making money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Okay, and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, please stay consistent, keep doing more research, work hard. The differences between you and people who already made commission, they do not quit. You guys are quitting. You guys are not patient enough. You guys just started for 1 week, 1 month. You started getting, you're right about you are to make money, you quit. You start getting clicks, that's really good, but you quit. And if you quit, you will never make money. If you go to any business online, they they need time. Okay, they took times to make money, guys. Okay, if you start any online business, drop shipping, freelancing, I don't know, any business, you will not make money overnight. If you started today, you will not make money tomorrow. Of course not. It's gonna take time. And that's all. And it's the same with affiliate marketing. It's the same. The business model that I share with you in this affiliate marketing video, it's very simple, but it's not easy. It's really very simple, but it's not easy. Need time, need consistent hard work, doing more research, and so much more. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.